I got this USB-C magnetic adapter for easy charge and use on my computer. I plugged the end of the power cord to the adapter. You get two adapters with it. One is in the bag. Here's one here. I'm going to put it to my computer. Push it in. And all you do is that right there. See how easy it is? You can take it right off and put it right back on, and as you can see, my computer is charging. There's a light to let you know that it's working. Very good product. And as you can see, it's very safe. You will not break the tip of your charger off inside of your computer. Very, very good product. I recommend USB-C magnetic adapter.